How to change navigation gestures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option. Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs. Here, scroll down to find and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. On the next screen, tap on Assistive Touch at the very top. Ensure the toggle switch for Assistive Touch is turned on. Then, tap on Single Tap to change its function. From the list of system actions, select Camera. The action is now updated. You have now successfully changed the Single Tap action to open the camera. Following these steps, you can easily change navigation gestures on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.